Need help assembling your pallet racking unit? We've got you covered. You'll need a rubber mallet, level, and impact driver if using anchors. We recommend assembling on a flat surface with at least 2 people. On the uprights, determine the position of each level and mark the teardrop holes to ensure even tiers. Standing up one upright, start with the lowest level, inserting the rivets of one beam into the teardrop holes of the uprights. Repeat for the second beam. Safety clips should face outward. Double check that the beams are even and level. Using a rubber mallet, firmly tap downward on each end of the beam to lock the rivets into place. Repeat for the remaining levels. Finally, if using decking, simply set on top of the beams. Shelving Inc. recommends a regular inspection procedure to check for damage. Contact our team for a free in-house or virtual warehouse safety inspection. If you have any questions, leave a comment or reach out through phone, email, or live chat.
Shelving.com. We rack your world.